How to create a wish list on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can go ahead and create a wish list on your Amazon shopping app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you're aware that, and if you've been an Amazon user for a quite number of period of time, then you must be aware that the Amazon shopping app does not let you to create a wish list, or maybe that you cannot add products to wish list because the wish list simply does not exist. However, you might not also be aware that there is another feature, and that is to simply create a custom list. Even if you do not have a wish list by default, you can actually create one. And in order to do that, I'm going to show you exact step by step. You have to go ahead and first simply launch the Amazon application on your phone. Tap on the little account tab from the bottom of the screen, and over here tap on the option called your list, which is at the very top. Once you go to the your list option, you can see we can create multiple type of wish list or any type of list that you want. So just tap on the create a list button. Once we tap on the create a list button, what you want to do is right over here we are going to give it a name. So we will just choose the option called wish list. So right over here I'll just go ahead and enter the wish list name. Once you give it a name called wish list, you can also name it any. It doesn't necessarily need to be wish list, so you just need to tap on the create list button. As you tap on the create list option over here, you can see we've successfully created a wish list. Now what we will do is we'll come back to our home page, and if you want to add products to our wish list, let me just go ahead and open up a specific product, let's say. And what I will do is underneath every product you'll find the option called add to list. So just tap on the add to list option, and here you'll find the wish list that you've created. If you want to create a custom list, you can tap on the create a list option as well, but I'll just choose the option called wish list. Once you choose the wish list option, now you can see our wish list has been successfully created, and we've also added products. If you want to find it, you want to tap on the account icon, go to the your list section, and you'll find the list that you've created over here. That's all it takes to create a wish list on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.